Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today is Saturday, and we're going to be going over CVS must-do deals starting July the 16th to July the 22nd. We have some free, cheap, and Moneymaker deals going on, guys, which I am super excited. CoverGirl is going to be a $4.13 Moneymaker, and Revlon is going to be a $5 Moneymaker with all of these amazing Ibotta rebates. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome, and thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deals and savings. It is completely free, guys, and I am just super excited and so grateful for all the love and support that I get from you guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I just have 300 more to go, which hopefully in the next 3 weeks we'll hit that 1,000 mark. So I'm really excited about that, and thank you guys so much. All right, so let's begin with these amazing deals. You guys know I always love my laundry care deals. So this week there is a spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck on the P&G products, and this offer limit is for one. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up some laundry care essentials. You can go ahead and pick up some Tide Pods or liquid, which are priced at $12.99, the Downy Rinse, which is priced at $12.99, and the Tide Pods that are priced at $5.49. That's going to bring your total to $31.47, but we have some pretty awesome digital coupons. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, a $3 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse, and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. You would pay $24.47 at the register, but you could roll in extra bucks to lower that out-of-pocket cost. You're going to get back a $10 extra buck. It makes your final cost $14.47 for all of these three products, guys, which is 54% savings, which is amazing. So this is why I love picking up my laundry care essentials at CVS. Another great deal is on any Degree deodorants. These are on promotion. Buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you're going to get a $3 extra buck. So we are expecting a $2.50 digital coupon on Sunday, but I have a $4 digital coupon when you purchase 2 Degree dry spray deodorants. So these should glitch. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 for a total of $11.39. You're going to use that $4 digital coupon as well as that $2.50 Degree digital coupon. You would pay at the register $4.89, get back that $3 extra buck, makes your final cost just $1.89 for both, or just a 96 cents a piece, guys, which is amazing. So you went from $11 to $1.89, which is incredible. All right, our next deal is on oral care essentials. So any Colgate Optic White oral care, they're on promotion for spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. And we are expecting a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, and this offer limit is for twice. So you could go ahead and do this deal twice. Keep in mind that the spend deals can only be done in store and not online, because you will not get the extra buck if you do it online, because you have to spend $20 exactly. So I do have a $3 off of 1 digital coupon already in my CVS account, as well as this a $3 off of 18 CRT, which it does expire on Saturday, but I'm hoping it does reset. So you want to go ahead and pick up 2 Optic White toothpaste priced at $10.49. It's going to be a total of $20.98. You're going to use that $3 off of 1 Optic White digital coupon and that $3 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon, and that $3 off of 18 CRT. You would pay $11.98 at the register. And again, you guys can roll extra bucks if you want to lower your out-of-pocket cost. You're going to get back a $10 extra buck and makes your final cost for these two products just $1.98 or a 99 cents each one, guys, which is amazing. Another oral care deal is on the Colgate Total. These are on promotion at spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, and we are also expecting a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. I'm not sure if they're going to be separate coupons, but if they are, then great. But if they aren't, you would have to pick and choose which deal you guys would like to do. So I currently have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on my CVS account. So hopefully if we get that other coupon, they would glitch at the register during checkout. So you're going to go ahead and pick up 2 Colgate Total, priced at $4.99. Your total is going to be $9.98. You're going to use that $3 off of 2 digital coupon, and that $3 off of 2 digital coupon, which would be the new one that we're expecting to get. You would pay $3.98 at the register, get back a $5 extra buck, makes your final cost free, and a $1.02 moneymaker, guys, which is incredible. It's been a while since we have had like free oral care, so if you guys definitely need it this week, go ahead and pick it up. Alright, our next deal is on the Schick and Skintimate razors. These are going to be on promotion. Spend $25, get back a $10 extra buck, and this offer limit is for 1. We are expecting to get $4 digital coupons, but I already have $4 digital coupons on my CVS account. So you want to go ahead and pick up a 1 Schick men's razor priced at $12.49 and 1 woman's razor priced at $12.49. Your total is going to be $24.98. You're going to use that $4 Schick Men digital coupon, the $4 Schick Women's digital coupon. You would pay $16.98 at the register, get back a $10 extra buck, and makes your final cost just $6.98 for both, or $3.49 each. I mean, it's not the best deal. I think we've gotten them cheaper before, but it sure is better than paying full price for these items if you definitely need them this week. Alright, there goes our freebie and moneymaker deal, which is on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're going to be on promotion: buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, or buy 3, get a $7 extra buck. This offer limit is for 1, so this means you could only pick which deal you guys want to do. So I went ahead and put 2 scenarios together for you guys. One of them is a combination of printables and insert coupons as well as digital coupons, and the other one is a digital and printable, deal. All right, for the buy 3, you're going to go ahead and get 3 Perfect Blend pencils. At my store, they're priced at $5.29. It's going to be a total of $15.87. I do have a $3 insert coupon. That was from last week, I believe, Save Insert. I will leave that in the description box down below. And we also have a $2 digital coupon on our CVS app. And you could also go ahead and print out a $2 coupon from the coupons.com website, or you could submit your receipt to the ShopMam app. So assuming we have a $3 mystery coupon, and I also have a 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT. So you would pay $2.87 at the register, but get back a $7 extra buck, and makes your final cost free, and a $4.13 moneymaker, guys, which is a amazing moneymaker. So yeah. All right, so let's do scenario number 2. All right, so scenario number 2 is on the buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So you want to go ahead and pick up 2 Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.29. It's going to be $10.58. You're going to use that $2 digital coupon. You could go ahead and print out a coupon for $2 at the coupons.com website. We are expecting a $3 mystery coupon, well, assuming it's $3. And I also have a $3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT. You would pay 58 cents at the register, but get back a $4 extra buck, makes your final cost free, and a $3.42 moneymaker, guys, which is incredible. So again, you would just have to pick which scenario you guys would like to do based on your coupons and CRTs. All right, another amazing moneymaker deal is on the Revlon Cosmetics, and they're on promotion: buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and we are expecting a mystery coupon offer. Keep in mind that this offer limit is for 1. Also, double check your Ibotta apps, because we have some amazing Ibotta rebates for the lip cosmetics for $3 cash back, and for the eye products for $3 cash back, guys, which is incredible. All right, for this deal, you want to pick up the Color Stay eyeliner for $8.29 and the Super Luscious lipstick priced at $10.49. Your total is going to be $18.78, but you're going to use a $3 insert coupon for the lip cosmetic, a $2 insert coupon for the eye product. Let's assume we're getting a $5 mystery offer CRT, and I also have a $3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT. You would pay $5.78 at the register, get back a $5 extra buck, plus you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 cash back for the eye cosmetic and $3 cash back for the lip cosmetics, making your final cost free and a $5.22 moneymaker, guys, which is incredible. I am super excited for this deal. Double check on Sunday on your CVS app, for any extra offers and CRTs and digital coupons, and adjust your math accordingly if the numbers are not like really adding up or the deal, does change. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what deals are you guys excited to do the most. My favorite deal is Revlon and CoverGirl because it's a huge money maker. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.